Hello and welcome back to an episode of Hanauer Math. I am your host, Kylie Hanauer, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to graph absolute value functions with a positive value for a. So today we're going to be graphing in vertex form, which is this, a absolute value x minus h plus k. And the equation that we're going to be doing is f of x equals 2 absolute value x minus 2 plus k. So we're going to start with finding our vertex, and for the vertex it's actually quite easy. You don't even need to use this space to help you. You can just look and see what value of x would make this portion 0, and in this case would be 2. So we know that the start of our vertex is going to be 2. And then we know that adding 2 to it will make it go up 2, making our vertex 2, 2. So now we know that our graph is going to go up, so we know that there will be no x-intercepts in this case because the positive value for 2 would make the graph go upwards. So we know that there is going to be no x-intercepts. We also know that there's going to be no asymptotes because the domain is f of x as long as f of x is greater than or equal to 2. So you can go 2. So there would be no, or you can touch the point 2. So there would be no asymptotes. We know that there is a line of symmetry at 2, which would be x equals 2 because of the making that a 0. So, okay, x equals 2. And we also know that the domain for any absolute value function is x as long as x equals real numbers, or equals all real numbers. We know that we can find the y-intercept by going up 2, or up 2 over 1, so it would be over 1 up 2, and then we can mimic that because of the line of symmetry. Over 1 up 2. So we know that our y-intercept would be 0, 7. And I'm just going to keep mimicking this. And then taking a straight edge, I'm just going to graph, or connect those dots. Okay, now we're going to do end behavior. So we know that as x is approaching infinity, it's going to keep going up. So it would be f of x, as x approaches infinity, f of x approaches infinity. And then as x approaches negative infinity, we can see that it is still going up forever. So it would be f of x approaches positive infinity yet again. So that is how you graph absolute value function. As always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on my notifications for to get updated every time I post a video. Thank you. Best of luck.